Okay, gentlemen and ladies, thought I'd make a quick video here to showcase two of the things that I've added to my inspection kit, one of which you guys can see and one of which you will hear. I've added lapel mic, halfway decent one. Hopefully I can kind of improve the audio quality on some of these videos. I know some of them are kind of lacking. The other one is this camera body. I'm going to retire my D80. This thing is a venerable workhorse. I've been carrying it for inspections since the last century. Oh, look at that. I even forgot I had been doing that. Some of you guys might not even know what those loops on a camera strap are. That camera strap been with me a long, long time. It was on the camera body I carried before this D80. We actually took photographs before digital cameras, guys. That's how long I've been doing this. Anyway, I figured I'd stay with the Nikon line. I've been happy with it. I've been a Nikon guy since the beginning, and that's a long time ago. I'll be continuing to use this 18-300 VR lens. This Nikon lens I bought as an upgrade to go with my D80 years ago. That was a game changer. And going with the 5200 body, it's kind of interesting. This is the first non-new camera body I've ever bought. But I'll effectively be going from 12 megapixel to 24 megapixel. That won't be important to you guys. What'll be important is the 5200 also does video. So I should be able to make videos with the same camera that I use for inspection. So hopefully that'll be a nice addition for you guys. Anyway, I thought I'd bring you guys along and introduce you to these two new pieces of inspection kit. Talk to you guys later. Bye.